Good. What day class ended? When?
What a class ended.
What time did?
What time did you enter the class?
Entered the class at 3 p.m.
Enter or entered?
Entered.
Right.
Next one.
Conversation করেছিল?
Did you
Converse.
did you converse with someone in the last class?
Yes, I conversed with you.
With you. Good. What topic of conversation করেছো? What topic?
How many topic did you speak?
I speak.
Where?
Spoke.
No.
I spoke two topics.
I spoke with two topics.
I spoke with two topics.
Sorry. কোনো lecture দিয়েছিল?
Did you deliver? Did you
Sorry?
deliver? Did you deliver a lecture in the last class?
No, I don't.
No, I didn't. Last call করেছো?
How long class
Continue.
continue?
Big missing videos.
Oh, how long
Did the class
the class continue?
The class continued 2 hours.
continued?
Continued 2 hours.
Repeat the question.
How long did the class continue?
The class continued 2 hours.
For 2 hours.
For 2 hours.
That's what a break হয়েছে।
When did the class break up?
আবার
What time the class break up?
Deep missing videos. It's okay, fine. হবে
What class?
What time?
What time did the class break up?
আবার
What time did the class break up?
break
The
up.
class broke up.
Yeah.
The class broke up at 5 p.m.
Class enjoy করেছিলে?
Did you enjoy the class?
Yes, I enjoyed the class.
তোমার ছোট ভাইয়ের সাথে দুষ্টামি করেছিলে?
Did you
No way, you're starting. Fine, go.
did you
Mischief. বলো দিদি mischief.
Huh?
Mischief.
mischief with your young brothers in the last class?
No, I don't.
Why?
Why?
No, four sentence. Why didn't you mischief?
Why didn't you
Mischief.
Why didn't you mischief?
Because I am a good student.
I'm a good student. Okay, fine. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Did you visit the computer?
Yes, I visited the computer.
When?
When did you visit the computer?
Close. Okay.
Now I will.
When? কখন? সময় বলুন।
আপনি যত কিছু করেন না কেন আপনাকে মিস করে যাবেন
খুব busy দিচ্ছি বলে আল্লাহই জানে। এই বলেন তারপর।
I learned computer 2 years ago.
2 years ago. Fine. কার সাথে? প্রথম।
With whom did you visit the computer?
I visited.
I visited computer my school friend.
With my school friend.
My school.
Fine. With my school friends. কোথায় থেকে visit করেছিল? From where?
From where did you visit the computer?
From home or from school? I visited from
I visited from my school.
school. কয়দিন স্টে করেছিল? How many days?
How many days did you stay in the computer?
Wait, আবার repeat করো.
How many days did you visit?
Stay.
How many days did you stay in the computer?
Good.
1 day.
One day stay. পূর্বকমলা এগুলো তো চোরা আছে পূর্বকমলা I stayed one day বলো
I stayed 1 day.
I stayed বলো
I stayed 1 day.
one day fine sunset দেখেছি না
Did you see the sunset?
Yes. I see the sunset.
বোধা নিজে প্রশ্ন কি লাগে বলো
I saw.
sunset আবার বলো
আমি বলতাম
হ্যাঁ
Yes, I saw sunset.
I saw sunset তুমি চলে গেছিলা
Did you visit the nursery?
Yes, I visited. Nursery.
ফাউন্টেন দেখছিলা ঝর্ণা
Did you see the fountain?
Yes, I saw fountain.
ফাউন্টেনে ভিজছিলা wait
Wait, did you
wait
You-
W-E-T
did you wait in the fountain?
Fountain.
Yes,
I
Got away.
got away from him.
কদিন পরে ব্যাক করছিলেন? After how many days?
After how many days did you
Back.
back?
আবার বলুন।
After how many days did you back?
No, after 2 days. I'm back. বলুন।
After 2 days.
I'm back. আবার বলুন।
After 2 days.
To Salah class. Manish, no. Fine. Okay, thank you.